One of the things we explore in seeing is the basics of vision, from color and light to perception and stereoscopic vision.
The name of the piece is The Magic Color Space, and it's very much about the perception of color, really. It's a printed wall, really, in colors. It's red, green and blue, and cyan, magenta, yellow. And then we have a changing light going through all the colors by RGB LED lamps. And our eyes see colors because they reflect certain wavelengths of the spectrum. So that's why we say it's blue or red or green. But also the spectrum hitting the color is always different. The whole space is abstract because I don't have a message. I don't have any information for the visitors. And that's very important for me because then you're just dealing with yourself. It's just you perceiving the color.
My twin brother Ryan and I have 4 drawings in this exhibition. The drawings were made by hand without the use of a computer or any tools. They started with the realization that human vision is in fact curved, that the light rays that come into your eye are each perpendicular to the surface of a sphere. The works that we have in this exhibition are all on concave surfaces, and then they explore realism and the translation of a given scene as it falls onto an imaging surface. It utilizes a split pen and split focus as a way to see space and bring it onto the page. We move from exploring space into color, into adding a kind of textural quality. Every given point of an object that you're seeing has its own spherical waves of ambient light rays that are ricocheting off every part of an object that you're seeing. In the last piece, we rendered the world as only constrained to these concentric ring pools as a metaphor for the movement and the presence of light in the visual experience. And as a final work in the show, we have 2 photographs that are taken on our concave easel after we converted it into a pinhole camera. I hope that viewers also take away some of the fascination that light is a spherical medium at every turn.
It is a multi-aperture pinhole device. In this case, there's hundreds and hundreds of them punched in this metal plate to replicate the Andromeda galaxy. And what you're seeing in the gallery is a projection of hundreds of light bulbs. So if you put your hand on it, you see hundreds of your hands repeated. I think this piece works really interesting as almost a starting piece because, you know, in terms of the history of photography and the way cameras have developed, this would be the earliest technology.